Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we're going to see how to connect two locks, whether electric or magnetic, to the GDS3710, 3705, 3712, or 3702 access control systems, and you'll see how simple the connection is. Let's see how it works. Here, we dial from the GDS, the phone rings, we answer, press 8 and the pound key, and the electric strike opens. We dial again from the GDS, the call connects, we answer, press 9 and the pound key, and the magnetic strike opens. Now let's do it in reverse. We press 1 and the pound key from the phone, and the call is established. We press 8 and the pound key, and the electric strike door opens. We press 1 and the pound key again, and the call is established. We dial 9 and press the pound key, and the magnetic strike door opens. Let's see what configuration we apply on the GDS side. We'll go to the door system settings, basic settings section. By default, the GDS is set to normally open. Here we'll change the setting to normally closed because that position corresponds to the alarm relay. Since we connected the magnetic strike to the alarm relay where it says NO and CALM, we'll switch to normally closed so we can use that magnetic strike, since the circuit is NC. We'll change this option and leave the rest checked. This configuration is to point to the phone's IP address, and here we'll set in relay 1, 8, and for relay 2, we'll set 9. It's important to check this enable DTMF open door option, the rest are settings that will remain at their default values. We click Save and proceed to check the wiring diagram to see how we set it up. Here we have the power supply's positive terminal, which will connect to the relay's common terminal. We take the normally open contact from the alarm relay and connect it to the positive terminal of the magnetic strike, then connect the negative terminals. As we've seen, we're effectively converting this normally open contact into a normally closed one, which is why the strike remains energized. Next, we set up the same circuit for the electric strike. Here, if you look at relay number 2, we already have the NO, the common, and the NC, so the slot is now complete. For the electric strike, we use the normally open circuit. We connect the normally open contact of the relay to the positive terminal of the strike, and the common terminal of the relay to the positive terminal of the power supply. Finally, we connect the negative terminal of the power supply to the negative terminal of the strike. This completes the positive break circuit. That's all for the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.